Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use LED keyboard on Realme C67 device. LED keyboards are commonly used in gaming setups, but they are also popular among individuals who want to add a touch of style and customization to their device. And then how to change the keyboard with LED keyboard in this device. First of all, you can install LED keyboard application on the App Store. Since I have already downloaded, I will open the app to activate it on my device. Go ahead and click Get Start here. And then you can turn it on by tapping this button. And then click OK. After that, here you can select LED keyboard. So, now you can check on your device that the LED keyboard is successfully active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to use LED keyboard on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.